Good evening, everybody. It is, let's see here, 9:56. We've had two earthquakes in the South Sandwich Island region. The first one was a 5.2 at 47 miles in depth. The second one was a 5.1 at 29 miles in depth. Let's see here, a 4.2 eastern Iran at 21 miles in depth. Guatemala had a 4.0 at 6.2 miles in depth. New Zealand had a 3.3 at 92 miles in depth. Chile had a 3.0 at 6.9 miles in depth. Central California had a 2.4 at 2.9 miles in depth. Baja California had a 2.0 at 6.8 miles in depth. Another one in Baja California, 2.5 at 10 miles in depth. And there was a 2.1 in New Madrid, Missouri region at 8.9 miles in depth. All right, let me pull this up here. I love my little camera holder. Thank you for watching. God bless. Be safe. I didn't want to put these earthquakes up while the tornado warnings were going on. I think that was more important. God bless. You guys are so awesome. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. What's left of it.